Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install VSCodium on this Windows machine. So to download this software in Google search box right there VSCodium, then you can go on this vscodium.com. So click on this link, then here VSCodium free or library open source software binaries for VS Code. Now if I scroll down here you can see this all. So here download latest release. This is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So you need to click on this button. Then here the GitHub site that's open there. Now if I scroll down, here you can see you can download this Windows, this software. So exe file, executable, zip, MSI. So here this all you can get there. So there I'm going to use the 64-bit executable file. Let's click that. So here the file is now downloading VSCodium user setup. So this user and VSCodium setup. Now the next is you need to click on this executable file. If you want, then you can go so in folder. From this place you can get here VSCodium. So double click on this executable file. And here the installation wizard that's come there. First you need to accept the license terms and now click on this next. So this is the location where VSCodium is going to install. Click next or create and that's all fine. Click on next. Create desktop icon that's enabled there. And now this is for path. Let's click on next and install. So here you can see preparing to install, setup is in progress. So please wait while setup installation VSCodium on your computer. Completing the VSCodium setup. If you want, then you can launch here the icon that's created. Let's uncheck this and finish. Let's double click on this VSCodium icon. So this is the console of this. So first you are going to create one directory. So they're going to create one directory, new folder. Here let's give the name VSCodium project. So name should be meaningful. Thereafter here open this. Here you have the file option and this. Let's click on this open folder on this desktop VSCodium project, selecting this. Now thereafter going to run one simple Python program. So let's write there test.py. If I write hello, right there print, then hello world. Now right click. Here you cannot see any run kind of things. So here go to extension. This right there on this extension Python. So here you can see Python, MS Python, Microsoft. This number of download that has done. You need to install this extract. So you need to install this Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Here Python MS Python, the package that installs successfully. Thereafter, let's go on this test.py. Right click there, then you can get this on option or enable. So let's click there, run Python. If you want, then you can run Python in the terminal. So according to given code, this is returning the output. If I do any changes, save that, right click here or run selected Python terminal. So here you can see hello and that's displayed. So this is how we can install or this VSCodium on this Windows machine and run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.